thank you for inquiring about the Hyundai Santa Fe. As you can see, I've got one on the sales floor. Comes with a honeycomb grille, wraparound headlights, daytime running lights, alloy wheels, LED turn signals, blind spot detection. Also the proximity key, so let's take a look inside. This one comes with a leather interior. Also comes with touchscreen, backup camera, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, lane keep assist, heated seats. It has it all. But the great thing about this vehicle comes with America's best warranty, 5 years, 60,000 mile new car warranty, 10 years, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, which we exclusively double to 20 years, 200,000 miles at no cost to yourself. My name's Mark, so give me a call on 205 720 6581. You're going to love the way you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai.